have sunglasses. Oh well. I lost one shoe and one pair of glasses. Oh well. What's going on? It's harder to do it on that side. Oh shit. Oh, there we go.
We're fixing to jump in right here.
Oh, okay.
It's all good. You gonna video us?
It's recording now.
Is that camera working good?
Mm-hmm.
I bet it's awesome. Okay, ready? Oh! I think it'll suck you under, so don't breathe, okay?
You should just jump from there and ride the wave.
Go! What?
Oh, person. Almost. Oh! You got it? Oh, she took it. All right, you're pushing me. Ah, shit.
Thank y'all for jumping everywhere.
You're welcome.
Sorry.
What's that say, Z?
Huh?
Zen?
Zen.
I want a navy blue one. I'm sure they make one.
Not
But
really
I
a
like
choice
the
in the
size of
colors.
that one. I like the size of y'all.
This is made for large. That's a medium, and hers is a small. Different sizes.
What is the difference in the thinness? Like his is real thin. Is that to make it go under the water?
Just a different style.
Yet.
It's just a different style of whitewater.
Blow up kayaks as well as I know they have those blow up boards.
Yeah, you can do blow up kayak. I mean, you can't water surf like we are, but
Right.
but you can still have fun.
When we went on the river,
So Eric,
Guadalupe a few years ago, we did one of the canoes that was kind of their blow
well,
up
they
version
had them
or
there
whatever.
for us
but
to use.
it was,
so
you know, it was a tougher one, but it was kind of the blow up.
That's cool.
it's called Hemp Camp. It's about 12 miles out in Staples.
Oh, that's not
And
bad.
they have camping. Laura knows Jeffrey and Eric, so she'll give you a good deal. I told her
Nice.
she's gonna have to raise the price. It's 40.